What's up, YouTube? Today I want to do a quick video on HP OfficeJet 3830 and it's the printer alignment. So basically, you go into your display, you click Setup, Tools, and you go to Page Alignment. Basically, printer alignment. It will print a page out. Right now it's aligning the printer. Basically, it's printing the page out. Once this page prints out, okay, the page that it prints out will look just like this. Have blue, and then you see in the bottom it says important, you must scan this alignment page for best quality. So then it tells you step 1 to lift up the lid, place the alignment, place down. So as you can see, this is your printer. You gotta make it, put it just like this, so it will be just like this. So pick up your scanner, place the paper, line it up, close it. So if you look here, say scan. So now we'll press OK. So as you can see, it is scanning. As you can see, the alignment is successful. So it's all set. So like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.